The brain is absolutely fascinating. Why we speak in our head, talk in our head, this is all because of brain. A person tends to pour out his feeling in words, maybe in his head. The action of it might not take place, but conversation continues in our head. Well, hello friends. Myself is Jyoti Seth and I am a teacher by profession. We will discuss this important topic today. Please be a part of it. Actually, it's a normal process. We have constant monologue running in our mind that discuss what has happened. We correct those situations we feel we did not handle correctly, or we practice what we'll say when the time comes. We learn things by commenting on it. When someone hurts you and you have no recourse, we may imagine the whole scenario of replying with everything we want to say or somehow get revenge. The internal conversation acts as a background noise that never stops from the time we wake up until the time we fall asleep. It can act positively or negatively in our lives depending on the content of this internalized monologue. Most of the time, what we keep thinking will be eventually turned into voices in our head. If we think words of encouragement, we will hear words of encouragement when you are down. Everyone has inner dialogue. People silently talk to themselves in their head. This is very normal. This happens in all the human beings, and the brain reacts in the same way as we speak loud. But the interesting thing is that when you finally sit down in front of any of these people, the conversation will never fold that way. Because the person you imagine inside of yourself is totally your own creation. The person in hand is your own construct, and what is really happening is different. Our constant talking is in our imaginary world, and the very solution to this is awareness. Yes, awareness. Presence of awareness is the only solution that you stop doing it. If you stop this, you will be in a better position to present yourself from your heart. Stop this imaginary conversation. It only eats your valuable time and energy you get in a day. Nobody else is responsible for it. If you won't wake up, no medicines can help you. You create a dialogue and you got to end it. But if it is related with planning within yourself, it is very refreshing, and your planning proceed in real world. But constant chatter, you got to end it, mind it, make it immediate so that it does not isolate you from the real world. You are worth living in a real world. Conditions don't make an imaginary world around you with the imaginary characters. Life is given to us by the God. Try not to indulge in any such event which cause your mind chatter. Better to avoid conflicts with your partners. You are not going to change it anytime. It's better bring a change within you to get peace, to get mind at rest before jumping into any conflicts or arguments. Think twice. Will you be able to sleep that night properly? Or you are going to have a mind chattering with the same person with which you had an argument? Control yourself. Walk out of the scenario immediately. Think about your mental health as you are the only doctor for it. Thank you for listening me. Comment me in the comment box. If you have any question, please like and subscribe my